Wally Brown here with GAF. Today I'm going to go over how to install a T-joint patch. So right here I have a T-joint area where I have multiple areas of membrane coming together. For lack of a better term, they actually form a T. So we only, as a manufacturer, require them on 60 mil and above, but it's up to you as a contractor to have you guys install them on all millages. So right here is my T-joint. I'm going to fire my gun up. Now these are made out of unsupported material. They're not going to take as much heat if you're welding regular membrane. So I'm probably going to be down to around 4, 5 tops. Now when you're welding these, again, you want to pay real close attention to all these areas in here. When this is done, all these should transfer right up through that. I'm going to start right in the hard part first. All right, you can see here how these transfer up through. This is what we're looking for.